Welcome back, friends, to today's video. In this video I have a Mercedes-Benz engine for GL450 4matic. In this video here I have a skeleton block engine for the 273. So in this video I would like to show you guys how to remove the top cylinder, the top cylinder of the Mercedes-Benz engine for the m273, and the same thing with the m272. So first of all, you have this stud at the center here, at the center of the chamber. You have to pull it out. That's the first method to remove the chamber. You have to remove this stud right here. There are about 4 studs right there, so you make sure that you remove them all in order to free the chamber from the block, from the top cylinder. So here I go to the second side of it. I'll make sure also I remove the 2 studs right here. Doing that, it will be easy for me to remove my top cylinder when I'm done losing the bolts. So I'm using the easiest method here, and also I'll go to the next one. This method is easy for me. Most of you guys can choose your own method to remove it. So I have to, and there we go. This one is out. Is out. See, that's the stud. You can see that the chainring is free. It's free from the top cylinder. So the next thing is the bolts. You have the bolt right there. You first of all lose these bolts and this one, and then these other ones, these holes, they are both a lot of bolts inside there, so you have to lose them all out one after the other. And also this bolt also here, you see it right there, you have to also lose it, because without losing it you can't get the top cylinder out. So I'm starting the process right now. So hold on, guys. I have to make sure that I lose it all out. And so you need to make sure that those hidden bolts there, they are all loosed. So I'm making sure that all those bolts are loosed, so that it will be easy for me to open the top cylinder. So I'm taking my time to lose those bolts out. There are about 10 bolts on each top cylinder, making it 20 bolts. So you need to make sure that those bolts are loose properly, as you can see. The spanner I'm using is a 14 socket spanner, designed for the 14 bolts, and my extension and handle. So once you're done losing this side of the top cylinder, you also go to the other side of the top cylinder and lose all the bolts out. And also there is a 2 bolt right there. The two bolts at the back of the chain rail. There are two bolts right there, so you need to make sure you lose those two bolts also. That's 12 bolts in the top cylinder and two bolts outside of the top cylinder. Two bolts right there. So that vacuum, I'll make sure that I need to remove the vacuum, this vacuum right here, because there's two hidden bolts at the top cylinder there. Once this vacuum is out, you'll be able to see it, guys. Here we go. Those are the two bolts right there. So you need to make sure that they are loose also. It's quite simple if you follow my video. So make sure that all these bolts are loose properly. And you go to the other side of the top cylinder and lose all the 10 bolts and the two bolts at the chain rail, making it 12. Once you are done doing that, and you also go to the two other bolts that is holding on to the front casing. Once that is out, the top cylinder is free. You can pull it out. So the method that you used for the m273 engine is the same method that you use for the m272 engines. They are all similar. The difference there is the cylinder. The cylinder for 273 is a cylinder, and that of 272 is 6 cylinder. So the method are the same, similar. So I'm making sure that my bolts are loosed. As you can see there are two bolts right there. So I go to this side of it. So I'm done with the bolts. I'm done right there. So I'm checking if they are free. So you can see I'm done with the bolts. So next thing now is to pull the top cylinder out. First one is out. First cylinder is out. You can see that's the 8 cylinder 273 engine is out, and that's the block piston. And I'll also go to the other side of it, other side of the cylinder. Consider that these are the bolts holding on to the top cylinder. So this side of cylinder is out. So the next step is the other side of the top cylinder. See those bolts there? They are the bolts holding the top cylinder, and there is the gasket. That's the gasket there. So this two top cylinder is out. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button below, like and share for more updates, and join me on my next video about Mercedes-Benz engines. Also give me your thoughts on the comment box below.